In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S25 and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. Begin by opening Gallery app and tapping on Pictures or Albums at the bottom. Then hold one of them and to pick multiple right away, hit O at the top left corner. Now you need to tap on all of your photos you wish to keep, and to get rid of the rest, use Delete button at the bottom. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!